Hello and welcome to today's episode of Wo bin ich zu Hause, meine Heimat für Fremde. Simply put, where do I call home, my home country for foreigners. Let's have a little bit of fun.
Let's go! Let's go! I want
to start going now.
Either I do the coaster, the roller coaster, or this. I want that!
Which one? Ah, the water one. Okay.
You come with your...
Oh, you don't get that wet.
Magicland Abuja.
Ryan! Hello! Hi, Nico! Bye! Woo!
So I decided that it would be a good thing to show you where you can take your kids and your family on the weekend, during the weekdays, in the evening to just relax and enjoy the facilities available. Magicland Park Abuja is one of those places in Abuja. It used to be called Wonderland. It's located quite close to the Abuja city gates, and what I love about this park is that it's got different areas. I mean, it's a bit old, it's aged a bit, but it still has quite a number of fun things for you to do. So you have different rides that the kids can go on. You have an amazing viewpoint, which I think they could actually capitalize on that, like building stairways to go up and have a city view.
Perfect. So that's the rock in the background of this whole setup. Actually, it's a bit disappointing that they haven't made a way for us to go up on the rock. I mean, the Ferris wheel would give you a good view of Abuja, but it would be nice to be able to go up on that rock.
What I enjoyed the most was the flying bicycle. I'm going to show you shots of that. And today we're going to focus on the flying bicycle and show you some other things that you can do in the park.
I'm cycling and trying to do a selfie. Doesn't feel as nice as it looks. But this is like if you didn't go to the gym and you're going with the kids to the park, you can do this. Let me see. So this is the flying bicycle. And it takes you a bit around on the railings. You can see across part of the park, and you get actually a very good view of the city while riding in free space. And the park actually provides you a very good view of Abuja and the surrounding hills. And this is the yeah, we're doing selfies.
About this one.
And take pictures on the end. So we're getting an amazing view of the park and a bit of Abuja, but here's more like palm trees, the entrance of the park. Yeah, we stopped a little, and I can't turn my hand to get you because we're at the wrong angle. So it's a free track and we're cycling on it through the park. We're not going to go through all parts of the park, but this is a track we're on, and it's like an open bike and it's squeaking a lot, so you're probably not hearing what I'm saying, but that's what we're cycling on, and that's the view you get of the city on a squeaky bike. But it's exercise and being outdoor as well. Toodles! Hi Nico! Hi Brian! Hi Gloria! Hi! Bye! Oh, this is so cool! So look at this. We have a camel or camels feeding at the rock. This is so cool. I'm gonna get a picture, get that video. Can't get in much.
I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesl81.